the best view of this hotel. See, and the middle room, I have the pool view. I have the sea view. At the center and at the rooftop. So these three unis, I took pictures of these three unis, and they are so happy to see the shots. And I'm wondering, they're still looking at the photos, and they are paying me for the shoot. They are offering me money and they are offering me drinks, but I refuse. I'm just happy to serve these three unis. I remember our friendship, the Pretty Mars friends. So they are so happy, and they look at the picture over and over and thank me 100 times already. So that's all, guys. This is my last day in Panglao, and I really enjoyed my stay here as a solo traveler. So I hope to have as much as me time in the future. So bye. Watch me on my next video. Thank you to shout out to my 22 subscribers. 22. See you.